Speak me mind family, me say it getting hot in here. Somebody take off your clothes. It's getting hot. What's up, Speak me mind family? It'll get hot in here, boy. Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Boy, it come like YouTube have a pick for me when them ready. 2 video now me have to have one review. Them just released one yesterday. What me do? For release today Monday. When me see such man, you know, them no want Harry, them want Harry Potter. Yeah, that, you know such man, I do a video where T-girl is concerned. And I was kind of finding it funny. You know, it give me a little laugh, me not lie. You know, because a little skit and something, yeah, give me a laugh. And you people, if you're stressed out or in a little distress or, you know, sad mood that you want a little laugh, me know that video that go on a little therapy, you know, because one that really laugh, one that find it funny. But when me come in, review the video after I get one lamp on, but through me out in the street today, which is Monday evening, through the whole election, I do take some clippings and some, you know, coverage of the election to post on the backup channel. I wasn't being on social, I never been on social media all day. So when I come in as usual night time, so I decided to me not do no video tonight. But I go back up in him, I do one video. Like him I bring back do back memories with 360 with all those derogative things that 360 used to say and stuff. And it just turned me off from drop the video. But the video is really, you know, the video really have a little thing to it where me I say I want to drop the video, but me feel like I want to delete it, but at the same time I say no, really YouTube I delete content. Once YouTube not have a problem with the content, no real YouTuber delete content. So I say me alright, what I gonna do? I gonna do another little video when I have. If I post a man in the phone I get it, then I think about if I really want to post a video because I don't like the video when I come see him do. Do that video then now when I look YouTube all on that too. That video was Tina getting at Laura and her speaker. But them all on it for a reason, I don't know. So I decided to boy, I have to do a video for when we get Tuesday. So I there, I say, alright, wall out as a soldier. And I there, wall out and me a stroll. I remember somebody send me something, send me a link of a, must say a Facebook page. Somebody with me know me can't open the link. So I open the link when I look. It was Lorraine, Larry the Lizard. You know, come out in a little distant way and I go on like, you know, she a cry peace and thing, and at the same time she a say certain things. Bam, so when me look, now the speaker jump on the live and the speaker start dip up and wheel, you know, like revivalist, and so she start dip up and wheel on a Tina. Then now me realize say this video here, which is the video me I go do now, the one we me do before with T-girl I go at them, is the counteraction for this video. So I decide to me I go do it anyway. So gonna stay tuned. Lower the speaker come out for Tina. The one now with Tina would counteract them, get all on pan. So this first one I get. So listen up. So probably this is the right one I want to get first. So listen.
Myself. You understand? But one thing me can say out here loud and proud. Nobody can play no record of me a plan for do nobody no evil, nobody no bad. When the truth come out, me can't vex with the truth. I will warn what me do. If you come to me, me no care. And me smell fishiness, me drop a phone a yard. Me no record everybody do. But if you come and I say something to
Me so glad me not have to paranoid for no fi call me. Because me not have nothing to tell you now what me not supposed to tell you now. Anything when me talk, Me can't stand tall and broad. Remember me telling you say a tank well. Line me back with steel. So it broad, it's strong. So anyone who want call me, once you call me, don't expect to hear nothing if you record me. And if you do record me, anything when me talk, me not afraid to say me say. Alright? Cause me not have nothing bad to say more than the norm when would chat say if me come do one video.
Me? Like how you reveal now? And the two with a reveal. It will be one side a reveal. Come in to reveal my story. You understand? When me smell fishiness, this a done here. Of course, me go draw for phone a yard. Of course. Once me smell fishiness, I mean there far from phone a yard. Me I tell the person, say, listen, I'm a little busy. Let me get back to you. Yeah? Nobody not call me so. You're mad? I just want no wickedness in me. If you call me, the most you got hear, then is a scammer. Then if you stop treat people bad. Then if you stop beat people, get people beaten. Then are wicked, then are cult. And he said, Lord, I'm proud of you, so. And he said,
Dana name
privately.
couldn't left out of your
And he
mouth.
said, anyway, me I'll go Mountain View, go tell Dana that too.
You and
But
T girl,
see
you
this I
know no
don't say.
problem. So how Dana
Nobody
name
could
come up?
call me so. Nobody on the face of the
Jingle
earth.
bell,
Oh, you
jingle
call me so.
bell,
Tina,
jingle
come here,
all the
you wicked door.
way.
You wicked Tina. You know which one touch me? Me and this woman is not friend. But I saw me build people. You see, when it come to your job or your family, I think that for out.
She gone back now. Where the Sophia Dunkley one, she. The scandal bag one, she from Cockburn Pen with the old house where I rotten down and a black. If you never see the old house where it a rotten down. And a black and cement and steel and a board house. But here still every day, you turn on Facebook, you see her there and watch Tubby Tubby, watch Tubby Tubby, watch Tubby Tubby. You know, sister, nobody now look on you. 99 a Tubby Tubby and she alright. Alright, what you try if you say? You try the 99 and name for put on Gans if you can say that's your landmark because that's you. You are the one that give her that idea to make that Gansy. What? You want another thousands of dollars worth of Gansy if you sell with that name Tubby Tubby? For you to come on your platform to say, see there, I mean, get the idea that she have Tubby Tubby pan Gansy. Dana Tubby Tubby, but Dana alright. You know, see, Dana fly go to Canada. Going in no problem with nobody. And after how much years you know come to Jamaica and because of your mother health situation you come to Jamaica. And you know one bag of problem with sister and family about money we rob up and all kind of shit. If you did live a good family life, all of them sitting there will not go on. If you did find time to sort out your family life, all of them sitting there will not go on where you have to come on phone or show your private life. The way you don't love phone. Everything about on a private life in a phone. So when nobody come and talk about nothing about you in a phone, you're not supposed to come go on like say people are bringing it down or people are this or people are that when you carry no business in a phone. You're there in a phone, your mother sick and you wipe your mother tongue and you have to have video you. Your mother sick in her sick bed and you use the what you call it sitting there. This sitting there where them use white baby tongue in a little back of there and wipe your mother tongue and you have to video it and show it. You have, what you want to do? Show the affectionate and love what you have for your mother. That a privacy. Your mother sick. Keep that out of phone. And when people take them things they tell you say people are this and people are that. Anyway, they tell it to be alright. You hear Sophia Donkey tell it to be well alright.
Social media. That a cruelty when you touch somebody's job, touch them family, that's wickedness. And Tina, when you have to, me glad how me did do that show they no got people. Me glad how me do that show they can right now me that have to say sorry again. You remember how me have to say sorry to the deportee Karen? Me da fi say sorry to him and England, but me never touch the letter story. When I ask for the letter, and me never get the letter, I said to the individual, say, listen, me not like do something when me not have a proof.
No
You
individual,
understand?
Sophia Donkey
So
at
who want ride it, ride it. Me stand with you same way, but how me go stand with you? Put on your uniform, go through the door, turn on your live, go on like you got work, turn off back your live and go in your bed, go lie down. Don't make your enemy know say you get suspended. If
She
that
can't do
individual wish
that.
to tell the truth, she go say yes, and that me tell her. Me say,
She can't do that. Me just tell on people, her mother sick, and she a take the sick and wipe her mother tongue. And she in her phone a video all of them, her mother sickness and what she a do to her mother. You never respect your mother, man. That's not supposed to be no content. It's not like your mother sick and you say, okay, I'm going to the hospital to video my mother. Or, your video on yourself I got the hospital when you reach. You get like a short clippings of your mother. That was too deep for you to show up on phone where you wipe the lady tongue. Nobody never want to see her do that. So everything, the advice you give her, she going to put it out in her phone.
don't go there, go tell nobody say you get suspended. Watch things. When I do that story, only can remember exactly when I touch it. I hear the man of England were asking about the security license to get suspended. I come out and said, imagine you wrote a letter to our job and I said I will give you the benefit of the doubt because people can write letter and state your name. But after I hear with my own ears, you find out, oh, our license can be taken away. That's cruelty. That means you leave me to think that you write the letter. Who remembers I saw me do that story there? Who remembers I saw me do that story there? If you remember, say, yes, Lorena, exactly so you did do that story there. The live is there and you can look for it. I just remember the time, but it is there. I did not touch the letter part because I'm dumb enough to know that somebody can write a letter and put your name on it. As long as me never get the proof, me notice how me fight. Me have to fight when me can defend myself in a court. Me not fight blind-handed. Because you not tell me something when me go.
So you say, the fight where you fight, the 2-9, you can defend yourself in a court. Full of big. And them back it is weak. But I demonstrate. Full of big speech and them back it is weak. Now stop. I demonstrate.
Out there you run down left me and me alone in a court. I don't do that. Me not fight blind-handed. Me not fight blind-handed. You understand? If you don't listen and watch how me fight, you can't give me a story. And me just run out with it like me trigger happy. You crazy? Me have to do my underwork.
Then how Chuck Face cartoon used to give you the story them and you run with them. You do underwork, Chuck Face cartoon says she give you the story by midday. And so quick you do underwork to find out if the story is true. Move. You might suspect some of the story them. I might not run out with them right away. But not what you say right here so. Because cartoon admit. So she put her bar aside that does take up the liquor on the shelf them. She smoke the cigarette them till the prophet, the principal, the teacher, the school people them gone. You understand? Just to do social media work for carry mix up come give you.
Panic. And she said, yes, I saw it go. Yes. That when I put it out there, can you notice? Them not sue nobody else now. Everybody wants sue Lorraine. So I have to protect myself. Can you notice? When
make sure you have money ready.
sorry for my language. When
make sure you have money
hit the
ready
wall,
to protect
and
yourself.
Lorraine alone I go stand up in a court. So me no bet nobody give me no
Alone
me
now
run
go
with
work.
it. You understand? You know my story in my phone. With all who have jewelry store at
Then you are the
Canada,
mix up
and
master.
who want the prime minister do this and who want the prime.
Yes man. Because you're not a corruption fighter. You're the mix up master. If a corruption is a fighter, all of them be sitting there with your phone. You understand? But he's a mix-up master, so them just send all the mix-up in your phone. Because them know you love run out for certain people on your platform. So
I don't
anything you
carry it, you
get,
know
you go
why?
run out without check.
When push come to shore, and Lorraine alone have to go turn up. And see it there, thank God me never carry it. Because me not carry it, and the said person who either feed me with it and tell me everything. And them same one Bill Page I do live for me. Then suppose if me they bring them to worry. Then me that guy left me. Everybody that sue me, all of a name call, all of a picture me get take with this woman at Canada. Me that stand up by myself in a court. So me not do that. Me not make people push me around. Me done enough to know that. So make sure when you carry a story, it have a stand a weight with you. Because Claudia, Alana, Vicky, Bobby, and everybody run gone, so you have to turn up for yourself. You understand?
No worry, man.
Lord, you are wise. Me no can no story when me can't turn up in a court and defend myself. Cause me no have lawyer money.
We are waiting
So
to
me have
see.
to talk for myself. Right now, if somebody came in a court, I don't have no lawyer money.
And you
But
chat
me
so
can be
big
my
and
one
chat so
lawyer. Me
much.
can represent myself. Me no need no lawyer. Them need lawyer.
Me see man where chat tough on you. When him go in front of the court, as a matter of fact, what from him reach the court gate is a different feelings. Not to mention when him reach a courthouse door. It come like everything in him get cold. So chatting out a road now because things don't happen yet. And chatting when you reach a stage where you have to go in the courthouse is two different things. You hear me just say? When you reach the gate of the courthouse, you feel a different feelings. Like them throw one chapalin over you. And you see when you reach the courthouse door, all bout you get cold. You think of ice, depend your refrigerator come out. So chat bigger road now and wait, but you can defend self.
I don't. That's the difference. Them need a lawyer. I don't. Tina, come here. Can me get you understand? So you said Dana spend what 7 tours at Canada. Me not even know that. You know the truth about it. You know, so one time I see Dana in Canada, and people let me tell you, I see Dana in Canada. Me not even this year. Somebody send me one video where you see me post with her when she talk about the stagnant T-shirt. Yeah. Other than that, I can't tell you how Dana look in Canada. Come in for watch Dana, she deserve to have what she want to have. Whether you understand, me not care for that what Dana have. But you sit down and count too much money Dana spend in Canada, and then you say me bad mind. Come here, oh, you know what? You know I'm sorry for this girl. Honestly, she need help, and honestly to God, me I walk with God now. I tell her in a private, just as how she tell herself, she tell me to go back to school. Yes, she did. She said, Lorraine, you are a very smart woman. Me have the recording, not recording, the voice note, even she sent me in a voice note. Not recording, sorry. Not recording, voice note that she sent me. She said she had when name Landmore, we're having a discussion and a talk. Oh, me's a very smart woman on the internet and I waste my time. I need to go back to school because me that do.
You're smart now, yes. You know why you're smart now? Because the trouble not take you yet. Where you can't even find the pitney shot to fit you. So people are going to tell you say you're smart and you're going to believe say you're smart. Because you have been doing this thing for over 4 years, going 5 years soon. And all now, the promises are making for people to drag you into court. And it has not yet happened. So you feel like say there is not a possibility for you to be dragged in front of the courts. Because people just say yap how long. But them say time is the master. And nothing never done before time. It's on hope you're prepared and ready. Physically, mentally, and financially. When that luck finally run out and papers have been served to you. Because probably where you look for the paper come from, I could have know they say it come from first, But you might just so salt that as you get one from round a Harry and one from round a Stony, 2 days or a few days after, here comes the one where you are suspect. Not suspect, the one where you expect from the 2-9. So as me said, just prepare yourself physically, mentally, and financially. And stop staying in your house and chat big pan phone, but you don't need no lawyer because you can defend yourself. Street talk and courthouse talk are two different things. As me say, tough and you come here and talk. And him dey pan corner, when him step in the courthouse, we going to tell the judge, say, and we going to deal with the judge and the police. But it's still when him reach. You wonder if him forgot him vice box in yard. You wonder if him forgot the movements and the rotation of him jawbone and him mouth and him lips supposed to move when him want to talk. Because you know see nothing like that. So no come out and come feel like you can't fool nobody. Just prepare yourself. And don't prepare to have a failure offer. Alright?
Well, in a some crime detective or something like that. Which nothing no wrong with that, what she tell me. Me and a reason I say, Tina, you know what me see do you? You need local counseling.
You need to see a psychiatrist.
Bars, I don't think them they do a good job.
So you say she has sent you back to school because she see potential in you to become a law enforcer, and you see potential in her, but she needs psychiatry. She need evaluation. Hey, it's sweet me. When me hear now go out to the one there, me I tell you, me I say, yes man, don't you trouble Zion.
They should have sent you go get counseling. You need to revamp, unite back with your kids them. I understand it's not a good band there, but you as the mother, Billy, cause you is their
the
mother,
things them
not
she
them.
must tell you them.
You, they need you. You don't need them, cause only know some under the law say kids now forgive parents nothing. My daughter don't have to give me nothing. I am her mother. Me still forget up and give her if me have it. My kids don't have to give me anything. I am the one who bring her here. She owe me nothing. Anybody who owe me owe it to my daughter. I am the one who bring her. You understand? Tina and her kids them don't have a good relationship. Yes, we are going to argue, so she forgot look for the daughter and she forgot that. But first we have to put the issue there. It's not a good band there. So it keep her away. Just like me tell my father come, him no want come because it's not a good band. Why it's not a good band? Him have a conscience and never take care of me. So every time him come and say, oh, me treat him good, your conscience play a part. Nothing no wrong with that. You understand? Tina and her kids them don't have a good band. I know that. When Tina left and tell me for cuss her daughter, say Bobby was on the phone. I said, Tina, I cannot cuss your daughter. What may I cuss her for? She said the daughter grudge her for her body. I said, Tina, I can't cuss your daughter.
Wow. But you know so lie me can't even believe you know. But that is serious. Why would I want someone to curse my own? For what reason? Not to mention the reason that you're giving why she wants you to do it. But then who to believe? Because they are all liars. So I don't even know who to believe. But this not sound good. This is not healthy. No, sir. This not sound healthy.
Because you are the mother. I've me out that cuss the daughter.
And then Tina have the audacity to talk about self-esteem. Because she love talk about not for in a social media or not self-esteem. I know this team alone you don't have. You know have the whole pot where this team supposed to have come from.
I know you're going to feel some type of way. If, you know? But it seems like she won't feel no way after I read a text message where she's the daughter want to go to school. And she tell the daughter to go back the white man send you to school. The same one will do your boo job. Make him send you to school. Eh? Yeah, you know, say, all right, you have a man, you know, can ask him for part and let me see if me can come up with part since as you want to go back to school. That's good. If it's me, I go send back my daughter to school. Thank God my daughter is a veteran, so the army send her to school, thank God. But if it come, well, I may have to pay for it, I will pay for it because that's my child and I want she do good.
But at the same time, you don't have no money, Lorraine. So stop come pretty up things too, man. I tell you, I'm not there on the side, you know. I'm there for coof and hoof. The whole town went down digging to the one that like foul. I run down roach. Yes, man. But they have to coof both of you. Or anyone of you when you come and talk foolishness. You don't have no money, man. So thank God the army and the government is there to send back your daughter to school.
You understand, more? She aim to the sky, be more successful than who she are. You understand? Tina need help. And this is why when them say me wave white flag also, they are miserable. I don't wave no white flag because I'm not afraid of Tina. I'm not afraid of none of them out there. But is it what?
But it other one seems like you try, you know, to wave a flag for you because to how you talk, this is not you. This is not you. I see you there on live 3 o'clock before the morning, going up 4 o'clock. When your husband, whether you're in the basement, the basement or a facement, suppose you're in bed asleep. Plus, between 3:30 4 o'clock, whatsoever time you're there on the live, you don't have time for catch no sleep. When you come off with all your foolishness, you understand, and corrupt talks against people and say you fight corruption, you join back alive 5 o'clock, say you do prayer and worshiping. Can you imagine? You join alive, say you do prayer and worshiping.
It coming out every day. I argue with somebody worse when you see that they need help.
So
look
you know
on
better
Tina.
than
In our
Tina.
time, Tina was a nice looking woman. When she said demons take her over, some attack she under. I don't know if it's her wickedness or somebody really put a spell there, but she under an attack where she need help. She crying
You
out.
read her up?
Tina supporter.
I reading
That
her
one
up?
your name
You see to get
Landmore.
dream?
You're a good supporter to Tina. And I still like it, even though you go on your ways, that's okay. Because you have somebody used to ride with me and it reach a point where you have to pick a side and you pick a side, no problem with that. Landmore, I ask of you. I more respect you over there to sit with Tina. Reason with her, stop that Tina decay away. So if you love her, you are going to help her. On the platform commenting and them something like that now help her. You understand? And I respect you at all. Larry Kane, me no respect you, but the time you text about Lorraine, me alright, me no need no help yet. Me get help from God.
Lorraine said, me alright. Me no need no help yet. You sure no? Me like how you say yet. Because you really gonna need help. You're gonna need a whole heap of help. You're gonna need help like when them a do highway and them have to dump up the highway and when you look you see trucks pan top of trucks, a mall, a travel. You go dump up the highway. Or the amount of help that you going want when your time come. Because you feel like you are far from Tina, you know. You know they know we're far and different from Tina. It's only that she have been doing it for how long in a social media. So her record is out there for how much people she have met around. But you know the far despite your numbers might be a little bit smaller. But you are the same identical thing. Nothing different.
Help Tina. She need help. She cry out. And if one is a good supporter to her, one that help her. Help her. She need help. Whether if you pay for the council session for her, or she want me pay for it,
Right.
I will. Tina, come here, where you keep machine there, where you scam me how much money, where you say your business are going to store. And me give you how much money, how much time. So, all right.
So you and I was that close? Come on, hold on. That not sound like I just the back end of last year when she team up with you and her friend then. This sound like a long time. But it just come public. It left UC and come a public. When time we soon get together and join hands and heart in the back end of last year trying to take down the 2-9. Oh, so a long time we know a friend and a past all kind of conversation. Okay. Where this scamming money there will me give you for buy cake machine over. So why you continue to give over? See why me a sound a liar? Me never know if you believe.
One would go buy the cupcake machine. I know me not see Tina, you scam her too, But we know if you go pressure you with that right now. God know. Me a plead to your audience. You need help. Me now wave no fan, cause me and you will never be friends, cause you're wicked. When you touch people, pitney and people job, you cannot come back in a me cabinet. Cannot. So I'm no friend, I'm no plead, me I plead to you. But the Holy Spirit I tell me you are crying out. So me I call out to your audience, them. If them really love you, help you. Them no see say you're going on a path that is not right. Them no look by your feature and say change.
That means you have to call up on the speaker of the house to help you. But she want help herself. So how she gonna help you and she want help herself? Cause you want help too, And Tina alone want help. You want help too.
Totally. I'm not even God no, me not come out here come cuss you, cause me tell you me not cuss you. Me not cuss you. Me done with cussing out of my DNA. But I will come and address
Lego
you
the pigeon,
nicely. Cause
peace,
you out here
listen.
and say me
Lego
bad
the
mind
pigeon
Dana.
them.
And you account woman money, me never know say Dana spend 7,000 at Canada. I must it a get to you. Leave her, Tina. What is fear of fear? If she God will deal with her. Good morning, sweetheart. Me only have one thing to say. Just one thing me have to say. And this is
The temper of the life gone up here now, Hot. Hot. Temper turn up here now. The chairman coming like she a wave white flag. She a like a white pigeon crying peace. But the speaker no in no peace. The speaker come hot. 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 Hot.
all me have to say. Miss Tina, me here say you look for my address. Let me tell you something. Look for my address. This is what I want you to do. Yeah? Look for my address and find it. And you see when you find it, ma'am, you see when you pull up in my driveway, don't sit in your car and oink your hand. I want you come out of the car and I want you come and you press my bell so that my ring camera can pick you up. So that when me open my door and give you where you forget to put you out of misery. Yeah, because me have proof for sure say you are harass me. So find my address, yeah, and pull up, yeah, pull up, because you see anything me have, the license for carry. You hear me, ma'am? So I want you pull up in my driveway, come out of your car, ring me buzzer, so that my ring camera pick up your nastiness, make me put you out of your misery. You hear? And you see the foolishness where you run up. Let me tell you something, Tina. Let me tell you something. Because you are going like say you're Facebook bully. Me not back from no dirty girl. Me not back from no drug dealer. Me not back from no prison bud. And let me tell you something. You talk about me and married and whatnot. Miss dirty girl. No man never left me because me have a dirty front, yeah? Learn that shit. Learn that. This girl, you have to talk about when you show paper from me and I talk about that shit. Miss Drunk, let me tell you something. Your name on the pan none of my degree them. Your name.
Listen bright, you know. Bright, I go name out. But me still not hear what I want to hear, because me still not hear she talk about no PhD. Degree. Degree. Must say the one on your hand, roll on. Degree. Me not hear talk about no PhD. The way you're bright. The way you go on like you're one of the brightest. Me think you talk about PhD. Me never know you talk about degree. You understand? You have all kind of different degree, you know. But when you say PhD, me know you're top of top. When you say PhD, you're top of top.
When Michelle and Marie Bradshaw get from Gleaner Company and Observer at Jamaica because of my intellectual and intelligent letters that I have written when them want to offer me award. Your name! Certificate when me say we spend 6 months at CNN as a bloody intern. Your name not that on my press pass. So you see when you go come past social media and think you can discredit this girl or stop your eyes and go sit down. Because let me tell you something. You for thank God say you go to prison because you was a dunce at holy child. I was not. We make honor roll after honor roll. Yeah? And if you never go prison, you wouldn't learn a trade. You wouldn't learn a trade, Miss Strong Crow.
Anyway, people, me not go no further. But one little thing me have to say before me come off of this. Cause me say me tired. All day me up at the election coverage. Wanna go over the page, go see all the video them me post. But what me I say, with all of that degree, and all of what she have, and a roll, me no want have all of that. And sit down on social media like she. And not only sitting down on social media, sitting down on social media without a platform for yourself that you establish. But depend some of the platform, I keep up all kind of trash. For somebody with so much high marks where education is concerned, Anna roll, Paul roll, Tony roll, degree, axe, all kind of different roll on. I still not hear you talk about no PhD yet, Mishit. When you can come tell me about PhD and show it, not just tell me, then you can go on. Degree you really come and talk about? Degree are probably one of the first stage most people go for. Talk about PhD, please and thanks. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. YouTube have 2 videos for me at jail. One of them is the counteraction for this video with T-Girl. And one is such man. You understand? When me decide if me release it or just dump it. So if anything I know want me, cause me say no, it really come in comical to me. Yes man. Comical to me. But me just not like how me hear him come. Despite me know say that person is not somebody with you can tame, and that's why me never look for him side, you know. But at the same time, me really want to play the video, tell you the honest truth. But when me calm down tomorrow, going into Wednesday, I will know if I should just drop it or dump it. Cause it upload already, me review it, YouTube hold on point, me review it and then let it go. So it just upload already. I did for release Tuesday. This morning yeah, it for release, but because me come see that video the way him do with the 2.9, like him I bring back some memories with 360. Me never like it. Must sit well with me. Trust me. But as me say, YouTuber, you have content. Once YouTube now have the problem with the content. Any good YouTuber now dump it. Or when him know say it now get no views. Or when him know say it only now get 5 or 10 views, him now dump it. Him prefer make it go. Because guess what? It will be always there to get views. And you're frightened if you see that video. Don't get no views for this year when I post it. And 2 years down the line when you look on the amount of views it have. That's the difference with the YouTube. And that's why no real YouTuber throw away content. Bless up on yourself, do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Remember that I'm pleased to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel, Speak With Mind Entertainment, Life is a Mission TV. If you're not subscribed yet over there, please go over there go subscribe. Alright? Go see the different side of me over there than over here. So. Alright? Remember the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel in my comment section. Pin. $ Life is a Mission TV. Cash up pin in the comment section. Alright? Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. YouTube have 2 videos jail for me. So when you see them videos, you know which one do before because you know understand. Alright? Bless up.